Hey guys, and welcome to another video on ACOnetwork, and today is second part of Microsoft Word entering text, correcting text and few other stuff. So before I start, don't forget to subscribe, like or dislike and share. Let's start. And now let's go to another paragraph. Just press enter on the keyboard. And if we continue, another thing before I continue is that, as you know, you can indent some paragraphs when you're writing on the paper some letter, and also you can indent in here. You can indent on two different ways. Let's click on the beginning of the first paragraph with the left mouse button, and first method is just to press and release tab key on the keyboard. Another way is to use these two arrows and square above. To indent the first line is this one on top. As you see, first line indent, and when you click with the left mouse button and drag it, as you see, you can define how much indent you want to have for this first line. This second arrow is hanging indent. That means for every other line you can set the indent you want, but I will leave it as the default. And this square is just if you want to move whole paragraph at once. And when we click into a paragraph that we created before, as you see, we do not have the same settings as the previous one. Why? Because we created paragraph before we set the first paragraph settings. So we could just delete with the backspace on the keyboard till we get to end of first paragraph, and when we click enter on the keyboard, it will automatically use the previous settings of the first paragraph. So let's continue typing. I would like to meet with you and discuss whatever question you have. Dot. As you see, now I have blue squiggle line. In some versions of Word you will see double straight lines instead of one squiggle line, but in both cases it will be blue. As you see, 2 is spelled correctly, but is grammatically incorrect. So when we right click on the 2, you will see TO, and just click on it and it will automatically change it. Another thing that I want to show you is you can set these paragraphs, this text, from the beginning to the end. You can align them. So how to do it? It is very easy. First we will select these two paragraphs text by clicking with the left mouse button and hold this from the beginning of the first paragraph, and just we will drag mouse until we have all the text selected which we want to adjust, and release mouse button. And now we can set whatever we want. Let's say now we have align left. As you see, it is aligned left. Next we can center it, we can align right, or we can justify. And as you see, all lines are aligned from the beginning to the end, and it looks better, right? So let's continue typing. My coworker and I am and as you see, I typed coworker without minus, and Word in some cases will automatically change Word to write correct one. But if you do not want this word to be changed, you can just click this arrow which appears and you can just click change back to coworker. But in my case I will not, because this is correctly typed. And let's continue. Happy to answer any question you have at any time during the day. And here you may see that I made a mistake, not with the typing, but as you see here, any question you have any time during the day. That means from Monday to end of the week, from sun up to sundown. But let's say in Monday, if that customer calls at, let's say, 8 p.m. while sun is up, and let's say I work till 6 p.m, he will not get me on the phone. So in that case we need to change this text. So let's say any question you have at any time, and now we can click on the end of time and type, let's say, from Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. And now we can delete all the text that remained with the key named del, delete key on the keyboard. So when you click this, you will delete from the left to right, as we previously deleted from right to left with the backspace. Delete key is from left to right.
And that was it for today, the end of second part of Microsoft Word entering text. Okay, I hope you liked the video, that you learned something, and next time is all about editing text and some functions. Don't forget to watch. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.
If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, coworkers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day. Bye bye.